Welcome to ASP NET SQL Academy. In this video, we will explore the real difference between generative AI and ChatGPT, two powerful technologies that are shaping our digital world. Generative AI is a broad field of artificial intelligence that can create new content from text and images to music, video, or even 3D designs. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is one specific example of generative AI built by OpenAI to generate and understand text through natural conversations. While generative AI includes many tools and technologies, ChatGPT focuses on intelligent conversation. Generative AI can produce images, music, and even videos. ChatGPT mainly works with text. The biggest advantage of generative AI is its flexibility. It's not limited to chatting. It can be trained for specific industries, automate content creation, or power interactive apps. ChatGPT shines in its simplicity. It helps you write, learn, code, and brainstorm ideas instantly without needing technical setup. In short, ChatGPT is a part of generative AI. Generative AI is the entire ecosystem, and ChatGPT is one of its most popular tools. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy for more tutorials on ASP.NET, SQL, and emerging tech like generative AI.